As well. Whoa! Two riders down, Beaton and Gifting. Bars on the way down. Oh! Wow! Gifting lost. Whoa! He gets Giorgio Montini. Oh! Fontanesi upside down on the top of the hill. Watch this. Fontanesi didn't double up. Jens Bacon straight into the back of her, ripped her off the side of the bike. He's obviously come together. Well, I'll tell you what, I think it's the other way around, isn't it? Henry Jacobi, well, there was no way he was going to go through there. Completely unnecessary.
Webb, he's fighting with everything he has to hold Sexton up. They almost collide. Webb, down hard at the finish line.
I think they did make contact. I'm surprised Sexton didn't get affected at all. And Cooper Webb's bike just ends up smacking that
Moto in between. Oh! Watch out! Oh! Crosses up and it ends up costing Lawrence.
Right there, his wheels are washing. I mean, right there, he thinks he's done. That was a brilliant save, but wow. Only so much you can control in motocross. That was one of those. When he walked to the side of...
Whoa! Whoa! Huge! Oh! Oh! Who was that was down there with him? Was it 380? Yeah, purple in sector 1. Where has he pulled that from at the moment? The number 44. And a huge get-off there for Tom Vial. Oh, come down, and then look at that. The left leg gets squeezed between... Oh, wow. Talk about getting violent. Oh, Emmett's down hard, bottom of the hill. Lost the front end. Just caught the edge of the rut, did he? Yeah, and then the front bounced out, threw him down to the ground. Whoa! Kind of wolf. Got it locked wrong on the land again. Got the wrong side of the bump. Tried to save it, but just in on Jeremy Seward. Roman Fevre crashed out spectacularly, but he did finish in second. And there is absolutely nothing in there. Oh! It ends in tears. Bikes and bodies in the track. Wow. Whose fault was that? Well, Hurley just walks away, absolutely brassed off. Who was that was down there with him? Was it 380? Yeah, purple in sector 1. Where has he pulled that from at the moment? The number 44.